In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and set up the Perplexity Comet AI browser. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up any current browser that you already have and just search up perplexity.ai. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can either use the AI specifically on this page, or what you can do is actually download the AI by selecting download Comet down in the bottom right. Open this up, it's going to automatically start downloading, and click on the installer just like so, and it's going to begin the installation process. Go ahead and hit start install, it'll begin downloading, and when the installation is complete, go ahead and select launch Comet. The browser is going to go ahead and open up, and it's going to look something like this. And now you can also import your data from another browser like Chrome or Edge. If you don't want to do that, just hit skip. And then on top of that, if you don't want to set it as your default, just go ahead and hit this X, but it'll have you set up a theme, give your profile name, and then you'll be able to hit continue. And then of course, it kind of auto does some quick preferences. You could choose whether you want those or not. It's completely up to you. But finally, just sign in with your account and you're ready to start using that Comet AI browser. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.